my first solo 100 kilometers ride. Last time I completed 100 kilometers with my son, but today actually thought of 50 kilometers, but now one way only 50 over, so again I have to cycle 50 more kilometers to reach home back. So it would be total 100 kilometers ride.
Actually, I planned for 50 kilometers ride on Sunday, but I met a wonderful cyclist. His name is Mr. Madhusudan. He told me about this place called Makli Durga, and I was attracted to this place and I cycled to this place, though my ride going to be double. But still, I enjoyed to meet this wonderful guy, and his name is Mr. Madhu.
We used to take a train from Majestic. Okay. We used to organize trips for 500 rupees, Bangalore to Bangalore. Okay, no. We used to come down at the station, local train. Around 6:30, 8 o'clock we would reach here. Okay. Actually, know the shop owners from a very long time. And they would prepare dinner for us. Okay, nice. And we would eat dinner here, everybody. Then we would start climbing to the top. Okay. I'll plan next week. How do you spell Swami? SV or SWAMY? SWAMY. My number? I found it. Okay, Swami Vijay. You got it? Yeah. Oh, 200 videos. Yeah. Started with Kadungla last year. Nice. Very nice meeting you. Have a safe ride back. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. Take care. Complete uphill. While coming down it was very easy. Now I have to climb. Let me see. Cycling is good for cardio. I do lift weights Monday to Friday, and Saturday I give rest, and Sunday I go for cycling, because cycling is good for cardio. It burns calories. I just crossed uphill. Now it's okay to ride, but filming and riding is not so easy. Still I'm enjoying. Still I have to climb some more kilometers uphill. Cycling is good for cardio, and if you lift weights, that is good for your endurance and strength and stamina. So I suggest you to do cycling for cardio as well as lift weights to what you call, to maintain strength and endurance, and do some yoga also, so that your body will be flexible. Pedal 50 more kilometers to reach home my back. So I'll take a break in between. Then again, I'll talk to you regarding how cycling is good for health and how to combine cycling and lifting weights. So hi everybody, I have completed 70 kilometers and 30 more kilometers still I have to go. Now I have taken a stop here to replenish myself. Let me drink some energy drink and then I'll continue ride. 30 more kilometers I have to do. As most of you have asked me about the Tribun R300, there is no much difference between Tribun 100 and Tribun R300. It's just a cosmetic changes are there. So if you like to purchase a road bike, I definitely suggest Tribun 100. Around this bike cost me around 20,000 rupees excluding accessories. So it's better if you can purchase Tribun 100 road bike. It is good for long drives. One more thing I would like to share with you. Cycling is just cardio. So what I do is, from Monday to Friday I lift weights, like a follow proper workout. From Monday to Friday I give rest on Saturday, and then Sunday I go for cycling. So cycling is just for cardio. So if you want to maintain your good personality, and if you want to maintain your physique, if you want to tone down your personality, physically fit and mentally strong also, then you have to lift weights also. It is a saying in bodybuilding industry, whoever can't lift weight, they are weak. Whoever lifts weight, they are strong. So I am trying to mix both lifting weights and as well as cardio properly, so that I can maintain my body weight properly. So it's my advice to you all. If you want to maintain your fitness, then you have to mix both cardio as well as lifting weights. Monday I do chest workout, Tuesday I do biceps and triceps workout, Wednesday I go for back workout, Thursday I do shoulder workout, and Friday I do leg workout. After leg workout I give one day for recovery to my legs, that means Saturday one day rest, and then Sunday I go for a long drive. So this is my routine. You have to mix both cardio and as well as lifting weights to look strong and to maintain and to sustain your endurance also. So actually I went to Makli Durga after Doddaballapur. It is 50 kilometers away from Bangalore city. It is a very nice place, even for cycling also a very good place. Most of the Bangalore cyclists, they don't come to this place. They generally go to Airport Road or they go to Chikballapur Road, but this is also one of the best roads. You have to start from Bangalore city, then cross the flyover, Hebbal flyover, then come to Yelahanka, again cross flyover on Yelahanka, near Yelahanka, then take a left turn and come to Doddaballapur route. After crossing Doddaballapur towards Gauribidanur route, you find this Makli Durga. It's a very beautiful place. So next time I am planning to go for trekking on that place, and even for cyclists also, it's a very nice place. If you have never tried, please try this place, and this route, it is very good. So I'll meet you again to complete my 100 kilometers per hour.